my name is Chelsea-Alana and welcome back to my channel. I am a social media influencer as well as a social media specialist and manager. And so today we are going to be talking about Facebook's newest program, the Facebook Reels bonus. So if you guys are interested in all things social media and how to make passive income on social media as a micro influencer, please feel free to like, comment on this video, and then of course subscribe and hit the notification bell, and you will enjoy the content. All right, so let's get started. So a couple months ago, I was very candid with people in explaining of how I make money on social media as a micro influencer. And one thing I touched on was the fact that I was even unaware that I was getting a check from Facebook. And so it was coming as the metaverse. And so that's when, last year Facebook changed their business, not their social media name, but their business to metaverse, Meta. And so I noticed that I started getting a lot of different deposits and things like that. I am monetized on Instagram, and you know that Facebook owns Instagram. And so I didn't really understand where checks were coming from. I just know that they all had metaverse on them. And so what I believed to be was a bonus check from Facebook was actually me accruing ad revenue from videos I was posting that was considered Facebook Watch TV. Well, it turns out that Facebook recently has just opened their own Reels program. So you guys know that Instagram has a Reels program where they are paying digital creators to post videos every month. I have been working with Instagram for about 6 months now. I love it. If you guys are new to the channel, please, I'm gonna link the videos below or add them into the video at the end of this video. You guys go watch my old videos where I basically describe my partnership with Instagram and how I make money. So while I was in Miami last week at like 4 o'clock in the morning, don't ask why I was up at 4 o'clock in the morning in Miami. I was having a ball. So I get a notification from Facebook saying, hey, you should join our Facebook Reels program. And I was so confused because I was like, I thought I was already getting paid. And so apparently the money I was getting was from advertisements, and now they have included me in their Facebook bonus. So not only am I getting paid from the ads, I'm also gonna get paid extra bonuses just for posting on their platform. And so if you guys don't know what Reels are, a lot of social media platforms, including YouTube as well, are coming out with short form videos. And because there are so many influencers, entertainers, comedians, lifestyle vloggers on so many different platforms, basically what is happening on social media is it is a bidding war. Right now is the perfect time to be a micro influencer because there are millions and millions of dollars being poured into these bonus funds on Instagram, on Facebook, and on YouTube. I'll have another video talking about that very, very, very soon. However, there are separate funds outside of advertising monetization where they are giving a select few of influencers the opportunity to earn bonuses on their platform. Unfortunately, on Facebook, their program is currently invite only, which means that they are only selecting a handful of influencers to be invited into their program. And so I'm able to kind of analyze things and kind of understand what you can meet as a requirement or what platforms are looking for when they're trying to add someone to their bonus programs. And for whatever reason, I have no clue why Facebook added me to their bonus program. I really, really don't. My Facebook fan page probably only has like a little over 1,000 people. The videos I was posting on Facebook never got more than 3,000 views. You guys know I'm I'm in the Reels program on Instagram, and usually I'll get anywhere from 10 to 20, 30, 40,000 views on my videos. And on Facebook, I never got that. So, I mean, that's great because that, like I said, it gives even smaller micro influencers the opportunity to be considered into their program, because the Facebook bonus programs, they have little to no, I guess, requirement, because I don't have a lot of followers, I don't get a lot of views, and still they added me to their program, and they're trying to motivate me to post more on that platform. And so now that I'm saying it, maybe I guess what they're doing, because you know Facebook does own Instagram, maybe they're gauging my online presence on Instagram and hoping that that can transcend into the Facebook views. I don't know. I mean, I think we do have to be very candid that Facebook is where hope goes to die. I'm joking, but seriously, come on now. People in my generation usually don't go on Facebook unless there's like a family death, a graduation, you want to check up on your high school like op, you want to see if she's pregnant, who her baby daddy is her life going horrible, you know what I'm saying? Like, Facebook is not where we go unless it's really to check on people that we don't talk to. Like, you go on Instagram, you get inspired by the lifestyle. You get inspiration by the fashion, and you see what's hot, what's not, what's happening in the world. You go on Twitter, and that's where you go to be kind of connected to people emotionally, or get more information or more insight. YouTube is where you go to learn about things. I mean, even if you're watching Pimple Poppers or 100 Ways to Survive, whatever, you go to YouTube for knowledge on how to do this, that, XYZ, whatever the case may be, to be entertained. And Facebook, it really doesn't give any of those categories, at least for me. I know the only benefit I truly get from Facebook is being an affiliate marketer, because there are so many targeted demographics with their groups, their Facebook groups, and I find a lot of success through that. That is something that I really utilize for Facebook. But when it comes to entertainment, I really don't go there unless, you know, you checking on your high school op and she arguing with her baby daddy in a thread. Oh my God, there's nothing more than I love than being up at 3 o'clock in the morning, you know, reminiscing on who's who from middle school, and then finding a drama thread, and it has like over 300 comments. I honestly feel like when I see that, I feel like, you know, Sister Soldier came out with another Coldest Winter. Like, I go get me a bowl of ice cream, and I go to town reading it, clicking on profiles, who's the auntie, who the best friend, I digress. When you are offered to enter into Facebook's bonus program, it asks you to turn on a professional mode so you can start earning bonuses. And so you guys know on Instagram they have professional dashboard, on Facebook they have professional mode. Why they have different names, owned by the same company, unbeknownst to me. What I do find very helpful is that once you turn on the professional mode, the monetization happens immediately. You guys know that when you get monetized on YouTube, you have to wait anywhere between like a couple hours to 30 days. I was monetized in 2 hours, child. The way to get monetized quick on YouTube is when they see that your impressions are through the roof, and they see that your name is constantly being talked about. Period. And so currently, I gotta be honest, like I said, I don't get a lot of views on Facebook, Reels, or anything. So currently, I have made $3. I have a total of 8,000 views. The views are not hitting the way they do on Instagram. However, I am going to be, you know, taking the time to be more dedicated and post Reels every single day. I have noticed, and I have been doing some research, that people are saying that if you're doing duet on Facebook and just reacting to videos, that also helps your views. So you guys know in my previous videos, like I said, I am not the best saver, and for all of my extra bonus program money, I have connected into a savings account. So the money is not going to go into my pocket anyway. I'm never well, I'm gonna see it, but I'm not really gonna touch that money. It's just gonna be saved and hopefully accrue interest after a while. So I am gonna put the best foot forward to try to make as much money as possible. I think the most you can make on a Facebook bonus program is up to $72,000. They currently have over $1 million invested into a fund. It is very rare that people hit the viewership quota that these bonus programs require, which means like there is a cap, a threshold cap. My threshold cap is $500. So that means if I get 2 million views on Facebook Reels, it does not matter. Once I hit 500, I am done for the month and I have to wait another 30 days to start accruing money again. So I guess that's how they budget it. It's very rare that people hit that mark. I mean, for whatever reason, Instagram just raised my threshold to 87 million views. So I don't know who told them that I never even made 1 million views on Instagram. Well, if you total it all up, if you total all my reels up, I have made over 1 million views, but I've never made over 1 million views in 30 days. So I don't know why they would even entertain the idea that I would be able to make 87 million views in 30 days. But I digress. I don't, there's power in the tongue, honey. So next month I will make 87 million views on Instagram. In a positive way, in a way that I'm not embarrassed or ashamed, because you can make 80 million views and it might not be the way you want to make it. So yeah, so I just wanted to come on here to show you guys that there is another way to start earning money on your social media, and you don't need millions and millions of followers or subscribers to start bringing in that bank. So again, make sure you like and comment on this video. Let me know if there are any new bonus programs that you have heard about, or any examples or ideas that you guys can suggest to accrue more money on social media. And I will be back with another video very, very soon. Dami besos.